Mashed potatoes, oh, you're gonna dig this one. You make this ahead, put it in those big deli containers, shove it in the fridge, 10 days out, you're fine. You get away with 2 weeks if you want. I took a pound of potatoes per person, or 1 large russet per person, and I put a ton of crushed garlic down in with the potatoes in salted boiling water. Salt it when the water comes up to a full boil. Always start potatoes in cold water. Then I put them through the food mill and just zhuzh them up, break them down. And then we're going to mash them up with hot milk. I've got the milk off to the side here. For every 6 potatoes, you're gonna need about a cup of warm milk. And we're going to add our warm milk. And then here comes the good part. In this pan, I basically made French onion soup. You take a bunch of big onions, chop them up, cook them down in butter. Add a can of beef consomme or a little beef stock. Let the stock cook out. It tastes like French onion soup. Then we're gonna pull out the bay leaf. I season it with a little ground thyme, salt, and pepper. We're gonna add all of the caramelized onions to our garlicky mashed potatoes. No. Wait. Then we're going to add the Gruyere cheese. I know. All right. So you mix this all together, and as I said, you put it back into some deli storage containers, throw it in the fridge. The day of, bring it to room temperature, and put it in a tall saucepan or sauce pot, just like I have here. Why are we doing that? Because the day of, to reheat it and to hold all day long, all you're gonna do is make a gentle water bath called a bain-marie. You're gonna send your potatoes to the spa. You put this inside the gentle water bath. It'll heat them up and keep them perfect as long as you want them to hold.